How can you arrested my father?
Ghana police and so now understand me the way they want me to do for me. And then could I do forever? A show for me that I'm doing this shit, bro. I mean, you see them, Ghana police, and the money, banger. How can I rest somewhere like this? You know your soul. You can't be madam Kunda, dreaming, seeing car, do me, become a company. I shot at the capitalism, capitalism. I shot at the capitalism. I'm going to ready for America, area of Ghana. I'm going to be the Passa. Hey, Papa, today we are having that Pakistan and I will put it there. Corara, we are going to make you under this thing. How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? You don't know nothing of your force. No, come on, don't be best.